I still remember the first moment I went to the site. It was about 7 years ago. The site is somehow abandoned, actually, to have some almost collapsed building structures. But most importantly is the trees. There are a big plane tree, camphor tree, and different kinds. I had such a strong feeling that there's a certain kind of spirit hidden in the site. And the new architecture has to be able to reveal the spirit. Our project is actually located in an industrial park in Jingdezhen, which is a very famous city in China because of its porcelain manufacture history. The site is a rectangle shape, and originally there are a series of trees actually on the site. And there are also some very ordinary warehouse for the use of the factory. And our purpose is to build a comfortable hotel to accommodate the guests and the visitors. So the challenge is, first of all, we like to preserve as many as possible the existing trees on the site. But we have to make sure the spatial intervention of the architecture will interplay with the existing trees in a positive way. Eventually, this place will be unique and beautiful because of all these trees. So the building volumes actually interplay with the trees. We have an auditorium over here, which has a courtyard accommodating this big plane tree in the middle. And we keep all the old facade of the original, these tiny warehouses. And then we make this a linear building volume to the very north of the site to make sure we have the enough number of the guest rooms. actually keep this footprint of the warehouse and transform this into the lobby and the restaurant for the new hotel. Originally, there's a row of trees along the roadside, and we keep them as well. So everybody, when they enter the hotel, they have to go through a tree garden, meandering through all these trees, and then eventually reach the checkpoint of the front desk. Most importantly, in the middle of the site, there are around 20 some camphor trees, and we actually set up a timber cloister around the trees to make this as a central spiritual place of the new hotel compound. So eventually, it's the trees and the building volumes working together to establish the spatial system of the site. And because of all these trees, this place has this very unique and special atmosphere. Well, for me, I think the trees are always the most beautiful thing on the earth. The trunk, which supports everything, and the roots holding up the soil underneath, branches cantilevering out gracefully, and leaves setting up the volume of the tree. It's not only about the vegetation, it's actually a space. Think about it, the surface of the ground, and people do all kinds of activities underneath. The birds fly by, the sun, the light, casting beautiful particles of light and shadows underneath. And the tree is not a static object, it's moving all the time. When the wind passes by, the tree will sway gently. So it's really difficult for our humankind to make such a delicate structure system, actually. So I think each tree is not only a type of vegetation at all, it's a mark point. it's a symbol of our existence, and it's a symbol of human spirit.